Create a quiz with Canva. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a quiz with Canva. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So open up your Canva on your browser, and then what you want to do is just simply come over here onto the search bar and search for quiz. And over here you will see you have a bunch of different options, but just simply hit enter and a bunch of templates will arrive over here. Now you can select any of these templates you want and you can start editing it out and creating your own quiz. So for example, let's take this one right here. So we'll click on this quiz. We'll click on customize this template. Give it a couple of seconds for it to load up. And once it's loaded up, you can start editing it out. So over here, you will see you have this template. Then what you want to do is you simply click on this section right here and you can type anything you want. What is 3 times 3? And then just simply enter it in. So over here, we'll click on the text option and we'll say 3. This is one option. We can change the color of it so that it is so that we can see it over here. We can even increase it later on, but for now we'll just add these options. So we'll now copy and paste them like so, and now we'll just simply place these answers over here into their blocks. Make sure we align them as well, like so. And once they're aligned, you can start editing it out. And that is it. This is how you do it. After that, you can add more pages for more quizzes. And yeah, you can even add a checkbox over here. Like so, over here, you will see you have a bunch of different checkboxes. You can add them over here. And that is how you do it. That is how you create a quiz on Canva. So thank you guys for watching. And until next time, take care and goodbye.